What is F1? Highest frequency. What is F0? Behind frequency. What is F2? Forward frequency. Mean, median. Regarding the mode is considered, we go for continuous series. So this is the mass scored by the student, whatever may be, that's the mean. Take two frequency at a stretch, add the figure, find out the highest frequency. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence. Now I am going to take the measure of central tendency when frequencies are repeated. If the question is asked about analysis table, that we are going to discuss. So this is the problem saying, calculate the mean, median and mode by analysis table. This word, analysis table. So they have given the number, which is the highest one, 43, would have been repeated. Here 45 is the highest number. First you have to calculate the mean, then you have to calculate the median, then mode by analysis table. So how to give, what's the formula for mean? Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into c, where n is equal to total number of frequency, c is equal to class interval is considered. So what is the definition? What is the formula for median? Median is equal to, first is continuous series, now n by 2. Convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. Find n by 2 in that particular number, then apply the formula. Median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf over f into c. Regarding the formula for mode, mode lies in highest frequency. The formula is mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into c. What is F1? Highest frequency. What is F0? Behind frequency. What is F2? Forward frequency. The highest frequency is F1, behind is F0, forward is F2, C is equal to class interval. Now I am going to teach mean, median and mode. Here, this is your class 0 to 10. 0 is called lower limit, 10 is called upper limit. The upper limit of the first group becomes the lower limit for the second group is there. This is your frequency. This is your total frequency. Now, mid value. 0 plus 10 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. Then 10 plus 20 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. Then 25, 35, 45, 65, 75, 85. That is the mid value. That is the mid value of the given series. Now, D dash, I assume first number as assumption, A. Assumed A. So, first number I assumed as N. So, as per what's called statistics, somebody take the D, I have taken D dash. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Assume that numbers are increasing. See that all are increasing now. Somebody says this 10, 15, 10, 25, 10, 35, it goes like this. Then divided by number they will do. But I took the first number as 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then FT dash. This is your frequency. 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 1 is 3, 5 into 2 is 10, 15 into 3 is 45, 17 into 4 is 68, 43 into 5 is 215, 6 into 6 is 36, 45 into 7, 315, 7 into 8, 56. 7 into 9, 63. So we'll repeat. F into D dash, F into D dash. This is your D dash. This is your F. Multiply. 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 5 into 2 is 10. 15 into 3 is 45. 7 into 4 is 68. 43 into 5 is 215. 6 into 6 is 36. 45 into 7 is 315. 7 into 8 is 56. 7 into 9 is 63. If you add this number, 3 plus 5 is 8, 16, 21, 27, 32, 38, 41. If you add, you got sigma ft, summation of ft dash is 811. Then you are going to make the CF. CF for the median is considered. CF for median is considered. What is the first number? 2. Add 3, 5. For 2, add 3, 5. For 5, add 5, it is 10. For 10, add 15, 25. For 25, add 17, 42. For 42, add 43, 85. Add 6, 91. Add 45, 136. Add 7, 143. Add 7, 150. The total number of frequencies is 150. If we see now, 2 plus 3, 5, 10, 15, 22, 25, 31, 36, 43, 7, 50, 5 carry, 6, 7, 11, 15. It is 150. This is called N. The total number of frequencies 150. Make the CF. How to make the CF? First number is 2. Add 3 becomes 5. Add 5 becomes 10. Add 15, 25. Add 17, 42. Add 43, 85. For 85, add 6, 91. For 91, add 45. It is 136. For 136, add 7. 143. For 143, add 7, it is 150. And make the cumulative frequency for, this is for finding out the median. This is for finding out the median. How to find out the mid value? 0 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 0 is called lower limit. 10 is called upper limit. You can say like this. L1 plus L2 divided by 2. What's your L1? 0. What's your L2? 10 divided by 2. 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2 is 15. It will go like this. Difference of how much? 10, 10, 10, 10. That is the class interval is considered. Now, we are going to calculate mean, median. Regarding the mode is considered, we go for continuous series. What is the formula for mean? Mean is equal to A, assume, plus sigma ft dash 811 divided by number of frequency 150 into class interval is 10. I will show how to apply the formula. Mean is equal to A plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. Here why do plus minus or plus? Sigma ft dash may be plus or minus sigma ft dash divided by n into C. What is your assume? 5 we have assumed. What is the sigma ft dash? 811. Then number of frequencies 150, class interval is 10. So if you cancel 0, then 5, 811 divided by 5, it comes to 54.0667. Add 5, it will come to 59.067. So this is the mass scored by the student, whatever may be, that's the mean. So what is the first step to do? Assume, I assume as 5, sigma ft dash 811. Then divide the number of frequency into class interval. When you solve the problem, it will come 59.0667. Then we'll go to median. Median is size of n by 2. What is n is? Total number of frequency. This is 150 by 2 is 75. Find 75 in CF. I'll show you where the 75 will come. Here your CF, where the 75 will come? Under 85. Your 75 will come under 85. This range is 50 to 60 range. So 75 comes under 85. This is your CF. This is your frequency. Your frequency is 43. Your CF, I'll tell you the formula, then I'll explain. So median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF over F into C. Then which limit I told you now, which limited you have to pass? Here, which range you have selected? 50 to 60. 50 is L1, 60 is L2. Which number you want? L1. L1 is 50. Then n by 2 you have done. That is 150 by 2 is 75. Behind number is 42. divided by constant frequency is 43 into 10. I will show you. Behind this is your CF. Then your constant, this is your F. Constant frequency. 10 to 20 is your class interval. So difference of how much? Here difference of 10. All difference will come. That is the class interval we say, or interval we can also say. We'll go to problem now. So 50, 75 minus 42 divided 43. If 75 minus 42 is 43 divided by 43 into 10, the value is 7.6744. If we add to this 50, it comes to 57.6744. 50 plus 7.67, 57.6744. That is your median. Regarding the mode is considered, we have to prepare analysis table. I will tell you what is analysis table now. In your analysis table, you have got 6 columns. How many columns are there? There are 6 columns. When you go for a 6 column, this law you have to apply. Find out highest frequency in the first column. Second, now take 2 frequency at a stretch, add the figure, find out the highest frequency. Then leave one next to 2 frequency take, add the figure, highest frequency you have to calculate. This is third column. Number 4, first 3 frequency add, 3 frequency add, find out the highest one. Leave one, next 3, leave 2, next 3. So what is the procedure? First highest frequency in the first column. What is the next one? You take 2 frequency. What is the next step? Leave one, next 2. That is the third column. Fourth column, first 3 frequency. Next, leave one, next 3, leave 2, next 3. I will repeat once again. Find out the highest frequency in that. Which is the highest frequency? 45. I mark this 45. Then 2 you have to take. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 15 is 20. Take 2 frequency. 2 plus 3 is 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. 43 plus 17 is 60. 45 plus 6 is 51. Then 7 is 14. Among them, which is the highest one? 60 I mark in red color. 60 is the highest. Now, second column is over. In the third column, leave one. Leave the first one. Leave this. Next 2. 3 plus 5, 8. 15 plus 17 is 32. 43 plus 6 is 49. Then 45 plus 7 is 52. How to take? Leave one, first one. 3 plus 5, 8. 15 plus 17, 32. 43 plus 6, 49. 45 plus 7, 52. Which is the highest one? 52. Make the mark. Now, in the fourth column, first three frequency. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Next 3. 15 plus 17 is 32. Plus 43 is here. Add 3 numbers. First 3 over. Next 3 number. 5 plus 3, 17. This is 15. 1 plus 2, 3, 7. 75. That is the highest. Leave 1. Leave this. Next 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Plus 15 is 23. Next. 43 plus 6, 45. It works out 66. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6. This is 3 plus 9. So first 3, leave it 1. Here, first 3. Fourth one, leave 1. Next 3. Here, how to do? Highest frequency. First one, then 2 frequency at a stretch. Next, leave 1. Next 3. First 3 numbers. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 5, 10. 15 plus 43, 5 plus 7, 12 plus 3, 15, 2, 3, 7, 75. Next 3, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 17, 1 plus 4, 58. So, among them, which is the highest one? 75. Come back to fifth column. Leave 1, first one. Next 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 23. This is the first one. Next 3. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 5, 40 here now. See, first 3 has gone. Next, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 6, 16. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 66. Next 3. This is next 3. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19. 1 plus 4, 5, 59. Among them, which is the highest one? 66 you mark. The last step, leave 2. Next 3. Leave 2. First 2, leave it out. 15 plus 5, 20 plus 17, 37. Then 43 plus 3 plus 6, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 plus 5, 5 plus 4, 19. That is 94. The next 3 is not there. So I think you understand. So what you have to do? In the first column, highest frequency. What is the next step? 2 frequency at a stretch. Find out the highest. Next one, leave 1, next 2. Next, number 3, first 3 frequency. Next, fifth one, leave 1, next 3. Next one, leave 2, next 3. Which are the 6 columns are? Highest number in the first column. This is column number 1. Frequency itself is your column number 1. Find out the highest frequency. Once you find out the highest frequency, then you got 2 frequency at a stretch, 2 to take, find out the highest. Then, next one, leave 1, next 2. Next, first 3, leave 1, next 3, leave 2, next 3, find out the highest frequency. So, I will repeat, which is the highest frequency here? 45. This is column number 1, where the 45 will come under 70 to 80. Next, here take 2 frequency, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 15, 20, 17, 43, 60, 45 plus 6 is 51, which is the highest one, 60, that should be taken. Then, leave 1, next 2, leave 1, next 2. Leave this, 3 plus 5, 8, 15 plus 17 is 32, 43 plus 6 is 49, then 45 plus 7 is 52, highest one. Then come back, first 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. Then next 3, 43, 50, 60, 66, highest one. Then here in the fourth column, how to do? First 3, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Next 3, 7 here, you got 1, 2, 3 here. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 3, 15, 2, 3, 7, 75. Next here, leave 1, next 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 15, this is 23, 43, 50, 60, 66. The last step is leave 2, next 3, 5 plus 15, 20, 37, then 43, 45, 94. So, among them, find out the highest. First highest is 45, next highest is the 60, next highest is the 75, next highest is 66, next highest is 5. Now, what is the next step to follow? Where this highest number comes, in which column? You have to make one column for this. I will show how to make the column. See the board. Here your column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are there. This is your class interval. They had given. How these numbers will come, I am going to explain. One by one, I am going to explain now. So column number 1, which is the highest one? 45. Where the 45 will come? Under 70 to 80. I will show how it will come. Column number 1, where will come? Here 40 to 50. Here now column number 1, where it will come? 70 to 80. So I think understand first point. Second point, you have taken 2 frequency. 2 plus 3, 5, which is the highest one, 60. How 60 has come? 17 plus 43 is 60. It comes to 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Where it will come? 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Find out that range. Number 2, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So it lies there, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Then we'll go to next one. Here, This is over. Come back number 3. Leave 1, next 3. Which is the highest one? 52. How 52 has come? 45 plus 17 is 52 is there now. How 52 come? 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Which column? That is 3 column. Here now. We come back 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So 3 columns over. Come back to 4th column. Here in the 4th column, which is the highest one? 75 is the highest. How 75 has come? Here, no? First 3, 75 has come, no? First 3 is less. This is 66 is there, no? So 1, 2, 3. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 67. How 66 we got? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Which numbers are? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Column number more. Here 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. We'll go to number 5. Number 5. You got highest 66. How got the 66? Leave 1, next 3. 1, 2, 3, next 3. 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 16, 50. So 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. We'll go to number 5. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to, this is 50. I will repeat. You got first one how much? Here. How you got? Which column you got? 75. Which column? We'll move on to this now. Here one by one you have to move on. We have to move on this one by one. This is the first 3 now. 75. How 75 has come? You have to look after 4th one. How the 75 has come? This is leave 1. Here now first 3. Next 3. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 3, 15. How 75 has come? 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50. Which column? That is 4, 30 to 40. Come back. 4th column. 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. In the 5th column, here you got 5th column, which is the highest one? 66 is the highest one. So leave 1, next 3, first 3, next 3, 17, 43, say. How will come? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. How it will come? 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Put that 5th column, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. The last one, 5th one, last column. Here last column, leave 2, next 3. 15 plus 5, 20 plus 17, 37. Then next 3, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 14. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 94. How the 94 has come? 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70. How it come? 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. We'll go to that. Here, last column, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Make this is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is 1, this is 3, this is 4, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1. Which is the highest one? 4. Which range? 50 to 60. That means mode lies in 50 to 60. So here, mode lies here, 50 to 60 say. Now we are going to solve the problem with the help of the formula. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. I will apply the formula. See that L1 is 50. This is the highest frequency 43. Behind is 70. Next is 6. I will explain that. Your formula. Mode is equal to L1 F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into C. Highest frequency is F1. Behind is F0. Next is F2. C is equal to class interval. L is the lower limit. So remember, F1 is the highest one. Which range you have selected here now? Highest one you are going at 45. Which is the highest one? 45. Highest one. Then which range you have been selected as per the problem is considered? It is here. In the problem is considered, which you say 50 to 60 we have selected. 50 to 60. So for F1, this is F0, this is F2. So 43, 17, F2 is 6, behind number is 17. You'll solve the problem now. So 43, behind number is 17, divided by 2 into 43, minus 17, minus 6 into 10. 43 minus 17 is 26. 43 into 2 is 86. Minus 17 minus 6 is minus 23 into 10, 26. 86 minus 23, that will 86, this is 23, it will call 63 in the class. Then 10 into 26 is 210, divided by 63 is 4.1269. If I add this figure, this is your 50 plus 4.1269, it is 54.1269 is your mode. So mode lies in the model class, which is your model class means 50 to 60. Your model class, I'll tell you, 50 to 60. Your answer should come within this 50 to 60. You have to come. Little bit slow you have to go because it's an analysis table now. We have to go very slowly. I have explained very slowly. So move on to this. I think this is the problem which is going to be repeated. This is a problem which is going to be repeated. So you must go very slowly. Then you move on to geometric mean. Geometric mean is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by n. So we have to find out what's called logarithm. In logarithm, you have got numbers like this. You say one is called characteristics, another is the mantissa. You say that some number is 245. How many digits are there? 2, 4, 5 means 3 numbers are there. So log is equal to n minus 1. So your characteristics is 2. You have to look after under 24, 5. If you have got 4 numbers, 3, 2, 6, 1. If the numbers are there, how many digits are there? 4. Your characteristics is 3. Among 32, 6, 1, you have to look after. So how to do? If you have got a 4, 3 characteristics. If you have got a 2, 1 characteristics. If you have got a 1, 0 characteristics. If you have got a point, we say bar 1, we say point not bar 2. That is, I am going to explain. So when you're solving the problem, I'm going to explain now. So this is a problem they gave. X 6.5, 169, 11, this is a problem. Here for 6.5, 6 is a single digit. So character 6 is 0. If we see that under 65, the log is 0.8129. Here you got 169. Your character 6 is 2. On 16, you have to see the 9. On 16 in the logarithm table, you have to see the 9. The answer is 2.2279. 11 is a 2 digit. In that 1, say 1.04. So in the 11, you have to see the 0. Then 112.5, which is a full number is 112. Character 6, 2. Then under 11, you have to see the 12. 2. Then 5 is called mean difference. You have to look after. It will come like this. Then 14.2, there are 2 digits, 1 character 6. In the field, you have to look this. 72, 1 character 7. In 72, you have to look after the 0. It will come like this. 35.5, that the pure number is 35. 1 character 6. Under 35, you have to see the 5. Then 215, you have got 3 digits. So 2 characteristics. 21, 5, this will add the number, it will come 13.0255. Apply. GM is equal to anti-log sigma log x divided by n. Anti-log of this total is 13.0225 divided by n. When you divide it, it will come 1.6282. For that, you have to look after for this anti-log. If you look after the anti-log, your answer is 4248. Your anti-log is 4248 will come according to log table is concerned. What is the characteristic? If you have got a 1, 2 characteristics. If you have a 2, then you have to. What is your number is there? 1. It is 42.48 is your answer. So all depends upon the log table. So that can be discussed very seriously in the next session, how to find the log and anti-log. Then we'll move on to next problem. Same thing, 1.24, 1.16. How to find out the log? 1.21 is 0. In the 12, you have to take after the 5. This will come. 1.16, 1 is 0. Under 11, 6 is this. 1.28, 1 is 0. Here 172, this is 172. Then this is 1.37 is 0, 1367. If we add no, this will come 0.4018. Anti-log of this, sigma log x divided by n. So this is 0.4018 divided by 4. It will come 0.1005. So anti-log of 1005 is 1260. Anti-log of 1 among the 10, 0, 5 is the mean difference. It will come 1260. What's your characteristic? 0. So it is 1. If it is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 0 means 1. Your answer is 1.260. It depends upon the log and anti-log is considered. So we discuss mean, median and mode for all types of problem. Even the analytic problem you have discussed. You go through the note. When the question answer session will come, you ask any question, I am going to answer. So here log and anti-log you have to look after. That can be discussed very slowly. So log and anti-log you have to learn. So log, so if you have got a 4 number, 3 is the characteristic. If you have 2 number, 1 is the characteristics. Find out the log and anti-log for there's an item. Log means n minus 1, whereas anti-log is n plus 1. So I discussed detailedly regarding the mean, median and mode, all the formula again. Most important in statistics is only formula. Please look after the formula properly. Take all the notes, whatever I'm going to give, definitely that will help you. So in the next session, we are going to discuss the second unit is called measure of dispersion. That is measure of dispersion is the second chapter where you are going to study quartile deviation, standard deviation, coefficient of variation, skewness. All you are going to learn one by one. So that till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next session.